It's me, Reyjeans, from the home of Fridge Nights, Jamaica, man. Hey, happy birthday to Alex May of Fat Shark Yes Guild. Yeah, man. Hey, you see, hope you have a wonderful day, you know. And remember, not even faker ever wins every single game. Suspicion has been activated when I saw Kudu without Stella in his hand. Anyway, I'll be going back to my jeans nap and enjoying the Fridge Night. Before I go, shout out Mafri, Lopez, Spud, Giga, Lucy, Jotwi, Fev, Yeezy, Josh, Penstars, Race Cars, Scott Brexy, Sick, Tenzi, Ashine, Seret, Ariat, Kelos, Sash, Ricky, Rixie, Sleep, Diran, Lenny, GX, Wooda, Toast Fast, Krona, Zenzian, Vanas, Kraken, Wav Disco, Impact, Zern, Fato, Complexity, Limit Maximum, Scribe, Zaltras, Kadim, ASF, and of course, Toussaint. Hey, listen man, loving these spicy Billar cars and brand new Fat Shark. Yes, socks, check it out. Oh, and by the way, corruption levels approaching 100%. The officers called for a happy birthday video, so here it is. Happy birthday, Alex. We're all sipping Kabla for you today. Jeans out. Yeah, man.